I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner, then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Actions. Albato. Give here the webhook link. So visit Albato dashboard. New. Click on plus icon and choose Sender App Webhook. Choose Event. Choose Webhook Account. Add a trigger. Click on Webhook Catcher and copy the webhook link. Wait for webhook. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Here is advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Albato site and choose your desired action to receive data. I am choosing MailChimp. Choose an action. Choose an account. Add a connection. Grant Albato access. Then do all the process. Choose a list. Add an action. Map the respective fields. Save. Then start the integrations. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to MailChimp site and here you can see the data came successfully in MailChimp via Albato. You can also see the automation log in Albato. Thanks for watching.